Okay, we got a 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Needs front brakes. Well, they said it needed brakes and rotors, but them smooth to the touch. So customer don't need brakes and rotors, just need pads. Say that good money. Still got a little bit of meat on them pads. They ain't metal to metal. So let's get these off. Oh, take the lug nuts off is to take these lug nuts off 22 millimeter, if somebody needed to know. Okay, so it done got dark on us. So to take these out here, the pins, those are a 10 millimeter Allen to take the pins out. So we're gonna go in and pry this off and get to the pads. Take the clip off here. Leave this one in here so you can press it in with the C-clamps. Leave this one in here. Put you some anti-seize. Get you some anti-seize here. Put this here. Here. C-clamp. Okay, just tighten it up. So you just put the C-clamp like so, and you just press these in. That's all you're doing. See, pressed it in with the C-clamp. Just turn it and it'll keep going. It'll end up, you just press on one side and pull the other one through. It's a dual piston. And I'm sorry it's done got dark on it. I've been working on cars all day, so this is the last one. But as you can see, okay, put your pad in, just snap them in. Just snap them into place, we're good to go. As you can see, snapped in. Now you want to install some anti-seize here too, because this is contact points onto this. So get your little anti-seize. Okay, so I set the caliper back on. So now all you want to do now, tighten up the pins. Tighten up that pin. And the lower pin, she's back on. Then we're going to install the clip. You can see, tighten them up. Tighten them up. My cordless ratchet. You know I love this bad boy. But tighten them up top, bottom, tighten them up. That's it. When we come around here to the front, we'll put this back on. Get him lined up. This bad boy a trick to get this. Okay, got him on. Let's get him in the groove. All right, and that's it. Brakes is on. Put the tire on, and we all set to go. Everything tightened up. Anti-seize, like I said, put your anti-seize on there. Good brakes, everything's tight. She good to go. Tools used, flathead screwdriver, C-clamp, Milwaukee, 10mm Allen. Took the lugs off with a Milwaukee impact with a 22mm socket. And that's it. Quick way to do a brake job, in and out.